Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make a Valentine's chicken. You will need a 3.5mm hook, stitch marker, darning needle, scissors. You will need 8mm safety eyes and the washers I got right there. Then we need 3 different kinds of colors. I got that mainstay from Walmart. Yeah, then we need some contrasting color and some red for the wattle. No, the wattle is the bottom, the comb is the top, the comb. Okay. You also need some stuffing and a hot glue gun ready to go. And I think that was it, yeah. Okay, let me see the beginning, okay. Take your 3.5mm hook. You also can go bigger if you want a little bit bigger chicken. But that's a perfect size for keychains. You can even go smaller if you want to. Oh, what I was thinking, I'm gonna make flower bouquets. I'm gonna stick them on wooden thingies and have them in my roses or something. Okay, let's start. Chain 4 or magic circle. I go with a magic circle, like the magic circle. Let me see if I'm in frame. Yes, I am. Okay, we're gonna chain 1. We're gonna make 8 single crochet in a magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close your magic circle. Round 2, we're gonna increase. We're gonna make 2 single crochet in each stitch. There's 1. Place a stitch marker. There's 2 in the same stitch. Make 2 in every stitch. 1, 2. Make it 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We got 16 single crochet in just round 2. Tighten your magic circle. For round 3, we're gonna make a single crochet followed by an increase. First one is single crochet. Next one is an increase. One single crochet followed by an increase. We're going to do that all the way around. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 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 and one more time. 1 single crochet, increase. That was round 3. We're gonna continue on round 4. Round 4 is gonna be 2 single crochet followed by an increase. We got 1, I got 2, followed by an increase. Got 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, followed by an increase. We got 1 single crochet in the next 2, full of an increase. And we're going to go all the way around. Sorry guys. Oh. That's the increase. One single crochet, one single crochet. What is this? We can increase over here. One single crochet, one single crochet, increase. You got one single crochet, one single crochet, increase. One more time. One, and increase. We're gonna end up with, I believe, 32. Let me count it. Yeah, 32 stitches. For round 5 till 13, we're just gonna crochet around and around and around. We're gonna start in the first one right there. Put your stitch marker back in, and we're just gonna crochet around from round 5 to 13, and I will be back when I hit row 13. Okay guys, we're on row number 13. You can take your stitch marker out. And we're gonna fold it in half. Let me see. Still in frame, yeah. Fold it in half, and then we're gonna look where we're gonna put the safety eyes. I usually go like this and see. Then let me see if that's the right. And then we're gonna place the eyes. I think one over here. And count over around here. I think that looks good. Yep. Should be the middle. Make sure. Yep. Okay, put your washers in. Baggings, washers. I don't know what you call it. Okay. I mean, we can stretch it out a little bit if it's, yeah. Take some of your red yarn. Put on our darning needle, and then we go from the inside. We're gonna start over here. We're gonna make the peak over here. You go in and out a couple times. There's one. Two. Three. You just see how many stitches you need. I think maybe that's should be fine. Let me straighten it out a little bit. Like this. Yeah. And then the rest you can just tie off. Come on. And leave it inside. Put it inside. And then stuff it. You can also wait a little bit with the stuffing so you don't get tangled up. Where's my hook? I lost my crochet hook. Oh my goodness. That's right there. Okay, what you're gonna do now, we're gonna fold it in half, and we're gonna crochet all the way across. Start over here. Come on. Tighten it. I'm gonna start over here. And we're gonna go all the way across. Single crochet all the way across. When we close to the end, we're gonna stuff it. Just don't want to get tangled up with the stuffing. Yeah, should be fine. Okay. Stuff it more. That's cute. Stripe. But I think I have to take a different contrasting color, or you're not gonna see the wing, the hard wing. Looks so cute. Yeah, I think that was it. Okay, now you just have to make sure just, crochet into the stuffing. Crochet all the way across until you come to the end. Last one. It's gonna get a little bit harder on the end, but you can do it. Okay, I think 2 more stitches. 1 and 2. Yeah. Okay. Chain 1, cut off your yarn. And then you squeeze it a little bit so it gets the shape of a chicken. Take your darning needle and weave in the end. I usually go like this and then go all the way back. One more. Looks so cute. Okay. Cut off the rest. And I'm undecided if I wanna, yeah, that's not gonna work. We're gonna take the pink for the hearts. We're gonna need 2 hearts. I'm still filming. I think so. Yeah. I'm sorry, guys. Make a magic circle. We're gonna chain 2. 1, 2. We're gonna make 3 double crochet in a magic circle. 1, 2, 3. 3 half double crochet. 1, yeah, come on. 2 and 3. Chain 1, 1 double crochet. Chain 1, half double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2. Slip stitch in a magic circle. And tighten your magic circle. Cut off your yarn. Pull through. You got your little heart over here. I'm gonna tighten that. Make 2 knots. And you can, if you want to sew it on the chicken, you can leave your tail on, but I usually glue it on with hot glue. I'm gonna make one more and I'll be back. Okay, I got my 2 hearts. Let's make the comb, whatever it calls, while the glue gun is heating up. Okay, so cute. Take your red yarn. You go in the first stitch over here. Pull up red yarn. And we're gonna, let's see, we're gonna chain 2. 1, 2. We're gonna make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Try to crochet over the yarn tail. 1, 2, and 3. Chain. No, do we need to chain? Slip stitch in the same stitch. Tighten the yarn. I'm kind of tangled up over here. Come on. Sorry guys. That's what happens if you got scrap yarn. It's split in half and everything. Okay. We're gonna slip stitch in the same stitch. Tighten the stitch. Then we're gonna jump over to the next stitch over here. Make a slip stitch and chain 2. And over here we only make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. We got 1 and we got 2, and we're gonna slip stitch in the same stitch. And we get a little thingy. Cut the yarn, pull it through. Okay. Tighten the other stitch. We can cut the other stitch we crocheted over. And then you take your... I'm losing everything over here. Some darning needle. And go through over here and just push it through. Right there. That's not gonna get undone. Okay, and cut your yarn. So cute. You can finish. I mean, fix it if it's. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if the hot glue gun is working. I plugged it in like 5 minutes ago and still not hot. I don't know. Yeah, it works. It works. But like I said, you can sew it on, or maybe fabric glue, or what we're gonna do, we're gonna aim it towards the back and go over here and then on the other side we do the same thing. That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be over here. Then you have to remove all your string. But that's how you make your little chicken. And then you can put on a keychain. You can make it smaller or bigger if you want to. That's so cute. I love the colors. You also can make a tail on it if you want to. But I think it looks cute like this. And there's all your little chickens. Some yarns are going to be bigger because, I don't know. But there's all your chickens. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.